The Baywatch actress wore a gorgeous white dress to her makeup-free dinner date with a friend in Malibu, California. Pamela Anderson, 54, looked effortlessly gorgeous as she was photographed heading to dinner with a friend on Monday, January 10. The blonde bombshell was seen in Malibu, California wearing no makeup, allowing for her natural beauty to be on full display. Pam carried a large white bag in her hands as she left her car and headed to a nearby restaurant, all the while rocking her signature blonde hair. For the low-key dinner date, Pamela wore a chic white dress with a small, sexy slit up the leg. She added to her look with a matching white coat that reached her ankles and kept her warm amidst dropping temperatures nationwide. As for her footwear, Pamela opted to sport brown flip-flops for the occasion. It's unclear which friend Pamela was meeting for dinner. In a few weeks, Pamela will be thrust back into the spotlight thanks to the new Hulu limited series, Pam and Tommy. The show premieres February 2nd and stars Lily James as Pam and Sebastian Stan as her now ex-husband Tommy Lee. It will explore the former couple's real-life massive scandal when their sex tape was stolen and unleashed onto the world. Two men, played by Seth Rogen and Nick Offerman, decide to sell Pam and Tommy's sex tape on the internet in the show. Related gallery. Pamela Anderson through the years, photos. Lily, 32, previously spoke to Porter about taking on the iconic role of the Baywatch bombshell. "I've never worked so hard," she said of preparing for Pam and Tommy. Of course, there was the physical transformation. Slowly, our incredible team found a balance where I resembled Pamela but also felt like I could act through it. I've never done anything where I look very different from myself before. And I'd really like to continue in this vein, because I felt there was something very freeing and liberating in it. Lily also clarified in her Porter interview that Pamela had no involvement in creating Pam and Tommy, despite being contacted before production began. For Lily, that was disappointing. "I wish it had been different," she said.